Happy Holy Week. Holy Week. Flowers. Guys. What is this? I opened the wrong car. Beautiful flowers. Doon na sila kabuo. One. And the other two. Wala, nice. Smells good. Let's go. So we are now here inside the avenue, and let's go. Let's do this. Flowers, ground, the second floor. There we go. Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and today is Saturday, and most of the offices and the businesses here in Cebu are still closed, but most of the commercial spaces like the hotels and the malls are already functioning. And right now I am outside of the Marco Polo, and the window of my car is very dirty. So I would like to tour you around here in Marco Polo outside, and we'll go to the Alimenda Residences, the fully furnished condo in Busay, and I want to tour you first here in Cebu. And yeah, this is the Marco Polo, and maybe I will try to tour. I will just tour you around here and that's the parking area of the Marco Polo. And I have nothing to do now because I had just finished my transaction. I have only one transaction today, and the client just dropped them off, and I want to tour you around in Cebu City, the situation here on the Holy Week. It's Saturday today, and that's the Marco Polo Residences. I just want to show you. I cannot go inside there right now because I don't have the gate pass. I did not prepare the gate pass, but I just want to show you the Marco Polo Residences. The ongoing construction, that one with the green screen, that's the Tower 5, and that's the last tower of the Marco Polo Residences. And yeah, let's go back. I'll show you the Marco Polo Residences. And yeah, let's go back. That's the Tower 4, that Tower 4, 5, and that's the Tower 1 of Marco Polo there. The Marco Polo, that's the Marco Polo Plaza, the Marco Polo Hotel, and that's the Tower 1 of Marco Polo. And today it's really hot. Like actually my clients, they are talking about, because they are going to Palawan on Monday, and yeah, good for them because they're going to Palawan. And let's tour around. And that's the Marco Polo. This is the Marco Polo, and I will go to the Alimenda Residences in Busay. And I just roam around so that you can see the video. And I'm going out to the Marco Polo residence. I really like the clients today because you know they are like simple. They are business people, and they're simple. And that's the city. Going later on, we will go there. I will go here first. That's the 138 Nivil Hills by Santa Lucia. The development of Santa Lucia, that one. It's a mixed development, hotel and residential tower, and that will be set for turnover or move in by 2027 next year. 128 Neville Hills. These are the neighborhoods of Marco Polo. The 128 Neville Hills, that one, and the Lemenda Residences by the Vista Homes, and the Aurea. The Aurea is the latest tower, latest project here in Busay, and it's developed by the Grand Land business, real estate business of Ligay Salo. And this is that's the Aurea. It's another development soon here in Busay, and that's the project. And expectedly that will be takes about 6 to 7 years of development. And right now I am going to the Lemenda Residences, and this one is turned over already and developed by the Vista Homes. Vista Homes, in an Australian real estate developer, and that is the first business or the first tower of the Vista Homes. That's the Hilltop Hotel, and it's going to the city lights. The city lights there, that road, going to city lights, and we are going to Lemenda. And today is again, it's Holy Week, and businesses, offices will resume on Monday. And that the building there, the white one, that's the Lemenda. Business will resume on Monday. The road going to the Lemenda. And that's the Lemenda Residences. This is the Lemenda Hotel, Lemenda Condominium. This is it. And I will park first. This is the facade of the building. I will park first. So I'm going back to the city. Chip, thank you, Chip. Yeah, I'm going back to the Cebu City. So I'm going back to Marco Polo. I'm going back to Marco Polo. What time it's now? It's almost 12. That's why I feel hungry. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Sima Franks. That's the hotel. So going now to Cebu City. So I'm going now to the Landers Supermarket. I'm going to pick up the grocery. And that's the Cebu IT Park. That's the Cebu Exchange Tower by Artalan. That's the Cebu IT Park. Going Cebu IT Park there. Landers, I'm coming. That's the Artalan. And after this, maybe I will. Still, the road in Cebu City is very empty. It's peaceful and not traffic. And I'm going to the Landers Supermarket. And maybe this afternoon I'm going to the Kashanta subdivision in Talisay. want to visit the Quezanta. On my other YouTube video, I have posted property there in Quezanta, but it's already sold. But I want to go in Quezanta because I just want to take video of that subdivision. And that's going to the Cebu Business Park. And this one also is going to Cebu Business Park, but via Landers. I'm going to Landers Supermarket. Mabolo. It's very hot, very hot. Landers Supermarket. So most people now are in the beach today and tomorrow. They are enjoying the beach because it's still Holy Week in Cebu City in the Philippines. Going to Landers to pick up the grocery.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Pasensya kayo kay nga nang akong Google always naman gaon ko doy. So whenever I go to the places, ang Google mo automatic ug hatag og
Turn right, then turn left.
pero okay na siya. May na lang na ako ikauban diri. Sige, yaw-yaw. Landers Supermarket.
In 100 meters, turn right onto Cardinal Rosales Avenue.
I'm going to pick up
Turn right onto Cardinal Rosales Avenue, then turn right.
in Landers. Still no, dili gyapon traffic ang Cebu. Tomorrow until tomorrow. Pero Inigmandi ani.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
Inigmandi ani wala na. Balik na og ka chikabum ang Cebu. Just wait. Landers Supermarket. I'm going to pick up the grocery ordered online. So just pick up kay Kapoy kayo. Sige ano da sulod eh. Exit. That's the Landers. Here's the grocery. Kainit eh. Kasi naman to. Adra. Ano lang sir? Dire lang sa pikas.
Oh. Ano yung mga sir?
Dire lang oh. Tabangan ti kapila ni kabuok ano. 9.
Ano na?
Oo, dia lang.
Namnay ko sir, ice cream na.
Oh, lagi.
Hindi alam ko ID sir.
Oh.